Chandana Yatra, also known as Gandhalepana Yatra. This is the longest festival observed at Jagannath Temple, Puri, which continues for 42 days and observed in two parts such as Bahara Chandana and Bhitara Chandana. This is Bahara Chandana, which starts from Akshaya Tritiya and continues for 21 days. The representative ideas of the main deities of the Jagannath as well as 5 Sivalingas known as the Pancha Pandava are taken in a procession from the Singhadwara of Jagannath temple to the Narendra Puskarini. The deities Madana Mohana, Bhudevi Sridevi and Ramakrishna are taken on 2 decorated boards, namely Nanda and Bhadra. This is Chandana Yatra or Chandana Yatra or Chapa at Puri. Jai Jagannath. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.